Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome back, viewers. Today I am going to explain lookup function which is available in Microsoft Excel. We use lookup function using two different parameters. This is the first one and this is the second one. This is the description of the lookup function. Lookup function can be utilized both vertically and horizontally. Now I am going to explain lookup function using this data. Now we have names, father name, scores and addresses fields. Now I am going to use lookup function on this data using this syntax is equals to lookup lookup bracket. This is our lookup value, comma. Now I am going to insert lookup, array. So this is my array. This whole data is my array, and now I am going to hit enter. See the results. The result is Lahore. So for Jat, the name Jat, the result is Lahore. You see, the result has been displayed, which is absolutely correct. Now I am going to change it. For Zia, the value is Lahore, and for Ali, the value is Rawalpindi. Now you might have noticed that for every name we are only getting the addresses, which is the last column of this array. So the first lookup syntax always returns the value of the last column of the array. So in this case we have the array that starts from C11 and that ends at F20. So the last column of this array is on the address. So we cannot find the lookup values of father name or scores in this array. So it automatically gives us the last column result. Now if we want to find out the scores for a given name, then we will use a different parameter for the lookup, and that parameter is, let me first apply it, is equals to lookup lookup bracket. This is our lookup value. Now I am going to apply this parameter, the lookup value, which I have already entered, comma, the lookup vector. So this is our lookup vector. Now in this case, now I am not taking this whole array as a for lookup. I am using the vector. This is my lookup vector, comma, result vector. Now I want this to be displayed as a result. So this is my result vector. Now I am going to hit enter. The result is 65. For Ali, the score is 65 and the address of Ali is Rawalpindi. Now let's find out for Faizan. I'm going to paste Faizan over here. Faizan is residing in Sargodha and he has got 84 marks. So this is how we can use lookup in a simple way and in a little bit complex way. There are two different parameters over here. So I hope you have understood all the functionalities of lookup. Try it at your end and hope you will find this video very informative. Do not forget to like, subscribe and share. Take care. Allah Hafiz.